Alright, I got another topic for y'all. Alright, what is the difference between a LWA and a job? Okay, so the difference between a LWA and a job, in my opinion, the difference is uh, a LWA cares about your well-being a little bit more than a job does. You know what I'm saying? I feel like the LWA, they kind of care about you a little bit more than the job does. The job, in my opinion, primarily cares about itself and getting what it needs. But the LWA, in my opinion, also cares about itself, but it also understands when times get hard. A quick little example. Me, I'm the kind of person that, like, one of my biggest fears is not fulfilling or keeping my word. So I had some work that I had, like a dance that I planned on doing for Dantor and for Frida. And basically, like, something happened. I had lost my job and I was just so worried and so, like, scared that, like, I wasn't gonna be able to keep my word, and then, like, they would, like, look at me as if he's one of those people that says he's gonna do certain things, he doesn't do it. And then, like, that fear kind of, like, made me start acting a little bit crazy, in the sense that, like, I was just so afraid of not keeping my word. And Ogun basically sat me down and he was like, yo, listen, young man, we're LWA, right? So if you can't keep your word this time around, we understand. We clearly can see why you wouldn't be able to keep your word. We can see why. We see that you lost your job. It wasn't your fault. This and that. So he basically told me, we're not job. Listen to me. He was like, yo, listen, son. We're not job. You feel me? We're LWA. So stop beating yourself up. Stop going so hard to, like, please us. You know what I'm saying? It's okay if you fuck up. It's okay if you said you're gonna do this for us and things happen and you're unable to do it. We understand. And that right there is the primary difference between a LWA and a job, because those things you say you're gonna do for the job, there's no, oh, this happened, or oh, that happened. Especially if you're not even part of the society. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're not even part of the society. You're just a random. So that's the difference, in my opinion. The job, you better keep your word. The LWA too, you better keep your word too. But let's just say you're unable to keep your word, and it's like legitimately not your fault. Like, something legitimately went wrong. Like, let's just say, like, somebody legitimately stole your money that you're going to use to do whatever you promised to do. Like, they're gonna understand. But it's like a job they just might not understand. And the fact that they might not understand, I feel as if that alone is the big difference. You know what I mean? That's the big difference, buddy. Like, whatever you say you're doing for that job, my nigga, you better do that shit. If you said every year, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, you better not be an hour late. You better not be even a second late, truthfully. You feel what I'm saying? You better not even be a second late. You feel me? But the LWA is like, they're more understanding. It's like, all right, like me, boom. Let me give you another example. I'm supposed to do most of my dances, well, all of my dances for Tato and Fuela. I'm supposed to do them, like, in the summertime, like in August, because that's just when I'm used to doing it. But it's like this year, Corona happened. I was like stranded in Haiti for like a good 3-4 months. I wasn't working, and I flew back to America in July. So it was like, how am I gonna have enough time to go back to work and take care of what I normally would take care of when I would take care of it? Like, it's literally virtually impossible. And guess what? They completely understood, and they completely sat me down. It was like, yo, listen, son. Like, you feel me? We understand. It's cool. You could always do it next time. And that's the difference. The ability to do it next time. So yeah, that's the difference between a LWA and a job. But aside from keeping your word and respecting dates, there really isn't much difference. They're still damn near the same kind of entity. You feel me? One of them is just more compassionate towards their children. The other one is less compassionate. You feel me? That's the difference. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna try my best to keep on dropping these videos for y'all, man. You feel me? Yeah. I mean, I want to do my videos in the daytime primarily. Excuse me. Pardon. I want to do my videos in the daytime primarily. That way I'm not just some black kid in a car in the night talking. At least you could be able to see me and shit. But unfortunately, I was unable to do them before I went to work. And like, it's like now it's kind of late, but I still want to get them out. You know what I mean? I still want to upload them for y'all and shit. But yeah, that's the difference, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Feel free to ask questions. I actually want you guys to interact and ask questions and stuff like that, so I could, you know, keep making content. Thank you.